How to reset Instagram password if you forgot. So if you are already logged into your Instagram account and you want to change your password but you forgot, what you can do is go to your profile icon at the bottom right corner and then click on the setting icon and then go ahead and go to change password, and then you'll see the option of forgotten your password, so click on that. So you just need to enter your email address, phone number, or username, and it'll send you a link to get back into your account. So you can just set it where you want the link to appear, and then just click on send login link, and then you'll get the link to reset your password, and you can just click on the reset password icon and then enter the new password. So if you have forgotten your Instagram password and you're trying to reset it when you're not logged in, you'll see this interface and you can just click on forgotten your password right here. So click on that, and you need to just do the same thing. Enter either your email address, phone number, or username, and they'll send you a link that will help you to get back to your account and get your new password. So that is how to reset Instagram password if you forgot.